Well, hello. As you could see from the pictures before, this was in a bit of a state. It was a sort of a trash find. It had been left outside for at least 3 months that I know of, and I picked it up. Wanted to see whether it would work, especially with these outputs on it. I wanted it for a sort of a bench monitor, as it was, to try different things out, because it got all these inputs on it. I thought if it works it'd be great. I didn't expect much because I knew it had been out in the elements, so yeah, I took the base off, the stand I should say, and didn't expect it to fire up, but as you can see from the next bit, it obviously has. So as you can see, on switching on, it works. Even the DVD player works. Didn't expect that to work at all, to be honest. Not too sure where it was being chucked out. Obviously the stand was smashed to bits, and the only other thing is a little nick on the screen. I don't know whether you can see this if I could zoom in. There it is. It's actually a little nick in the screen itself. I don't think it's the pixels, but obviously it might have damaged something, but you can actually feel that nick in the screen. Obviously it's not that obvious anyway, but sort of a bench monitor, it's going to be ideal. I mean, as you can see, it's a bit yellow, but that doesn't really matter, to be honest. As I say, with the with all those inputs, then I can try the games consoles out. HDMI, SVGA, SCART, composites, S-Video. What more could you want? Anything it's lacking is USB, but obviously if I need to plug anything in USB, it can go into a via something else and through the HDMI, so that's not a problem. I haven't got a remote, obviously, but got to get one of those multi-remotes, I think, and for such purposes as this. It's got the mounting holes on the back, so that's what I'm going to do. Attach, probably attach something across here with a couple of hooks on, and then it can hook up onto a bar or the shelf, and I can use it in here or wherever it's going to be eventually. So yeah, I mean, as I say, DVD player. They're the only buttons I've got at the moment to work with. So yeah, I'm going to try and get a remote for it, one of the multi remotes, I should say, and yeah, use it basically. Cost me nothing. Got a lead anyway, so one of those, whether you can see. One of these figure of 8 types, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, was going to be a repair video, but obviously there's nothing to repair. I think I'm going to try and take this bezel off, and you can see the dirt's got underneath that bezel. So yeah, I'll try and take that off and clean it, and that's all that's wrong with it basically. I mean, it's got speaker across the bottom. Everything I need really to plug in the, like I say, the consoles. Anything really I need to test. So yeah, great stuff for nothing. So yeah, a bit of a short one this, but yeah, it makes a change, something that's worked straight off the bat. So here's the monitor that I found outside, and yeah, it's all working good. Picked up one of these cheap remotes off a online auction site, shall we say, for about £3, I think, £3, £3 UK pound. And yeah, find the settings, so I can actually get into the AV menu and various other things. So yeah, just a job. Like I say, it's just wedged between a couple of the metal shelves at the minute. You can say I've kinked that one, but there you go. Gives me somewhere to put the remote anyway. But yeah, ideal for the job, I think. Got the leads there ready to go, and like I say, it's a bit dirty underneath the plastics, but I think that would mean either heating it to get those off, or whether there's some clips on the inside, I don't know, but that's the only way to get to it. So yeah, not very pretty, but does the job. So it'd be ideal, I think, as well, when I move it up to the shed, when that's built, the shed, workshop, shack, whatever you want to call it, and then I haven't got to worry about you know, an expensive monitor or anything up there. So excuse us, I'm trying to handhold this. So yeah, but just a job, I think. So yeah, I hope to speak to you soon. Catch up in another video. Please like, subscribe, and hopefully we can get some more videos out soon. Okay, many thanks.